Welcome to another virtual Willard Library Crafternoon. Today we're going to be creating Star Spangled cake toppers. Let's start with supplies. We're going to be using these paper lollipop sticks. Each one measures 6 inches in length. You could use wooden skewers if you prefer. One 8.5 by 11 inch piece of gold foil cardstock. You can find this at most craft stores. One pair of sharp crafting scissors, and a hot glue gun with a hot glue stick. Craft kits for this project are available at the Adult Services desk at Willard Library at no cost while supplies last. In the craft kit, you should find 3 stars that have been traced onto your gold foil cardstock. Each of these stars measures 3 inches across. Go ahead and cut out each of your star shapes. Now we're going to make the star 3-dimensional. Turn the star over and fold it in half, just like this. Star should now have a folded line down the center. Rotate your star and repeat the process, folding it in half. You're going to do this for each of the star's 5 points. Now that we're finished making our folds, watch carefully. You're going to want to press the points of the star together to make the folds more defined. Next, take your lollipop stick or skewer, a pair of scissors, and your star. At the bottom of the star, you're going to cut a small notch, just like this. Next, take the lollipop stick and lay it flat against the back side of the star, using the notch to hold it in place. Place a small amount of hot glue at the top and the bottom of the star to secure the stick in place. Be careful not to burn yourself and give the glue plenty of time to dry. Now all you need is a sweet treat for decorating.